Hmm. When did you have the transition from on-premises to a cloud version?
It was about 2017.
Okay.
We had our first hosted solution, whereby we could host it successfully and work through the integration, get the devices. That
Yes.
step was, I think it was the F17, F16s, and then the S922s. And some of those S922s are still in operation today. No?
Still alive.
They're still alive and they're still kicking well. And then we actually started off with where is the solution going? How do we foresee it going?
Yeah.
We've been adding value every month to that solution, and our customers give us a lot of ideas, a lot of inspiration. Yes. I've got continuous calls with them on a monthly where we have sessions. How can we improve the software? How we can add value? And we've now developed the full-blown workforce management solution. I think.
Yes.
I don't want to go into too much of the modules.
Yeah.